if you can only fit one tree in the garden, you're better off putting in an apple, self-fertile apple, and that will produce not only the fruit, but of course you get the beautiful blossom and the foliage as well. You don't really want a damp area to plant apples. You don't want to plant them in a frost pocket, but well-drained soil, sunny position, and you're laughing. So there's a whole host of different fruit varieties you can add into the garden, many different types. And the best thing about fruits, you can of course grow some of them in containers. So if you've only got a small patio or you've not got a massive area down to grow your own, you can plant them in containers. But I've got to say one other thing is if you're thinking, well, I've only got flower borders, there's no reason why you can't plant something like a gooseberry in as a shrub in one of the flower borders, particularly if you've got, I don't know, you don't want people to come into your garden in a certain area. You plant a gooseberry because they're so thorny, nothing gets through. But of course, they're very good nutritious value. They've got great flavours and they're easy to grow. And there's many different varieties. And likewise, blueberries. This is the pink variety of blueberries, pink lemonade. But if you've got ericaceous soil, which is not too limey, so if rhododendrons, camellias and heathers are growing nearby, things like these will grow pretty well. If not, you can always grow them in a pot. These plants will outgrow smaller containers quite quickly. The bigger the container, the better. And then again, use ericaceous peat-free compost, which is almost lime-free, and they grow really well. And of course, the best thing to do is to water them with natural rainwater rather than from the tap. Black currants and red currants are very easy to start. The Latin name is ribes, and with the blackcurrant, that's probably where Ribena got its name inspiration from. You can grow them in containers. They're just tough and tolerant. Great for flower borders as well. It doesn't have to just be a fruit area. And I'm going to plant this blackcurrant into this pot here, and I'm going to get a little helper to give me some support, not only potting it up, but watering it and taking care of it. For more helpful gardening videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share this video.